Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Cancer placements. Okay. Timeless love reading. So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And yeah, don't forget na mag-follow sa atin pong FB page and kung meron pong tanong sa private reading, message lang po kayo sa atin pong FB page for more info. Okay? So, yeah, let's start. Cancer. May naririnig akong Taurus. Okay. Cancerian. Ano bang meron? Cancer. Anong meron? Situation. Memories. Okay. Reminiscing, dwelling, and bittersweet. Yeah. Okay. Excuse my nails. So, there. One more. Okay. Cancer. Okay. Loyalty. Trusting, reliability, and believing. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Okay. Memories and loyalty. Iba rito, no? May mga material things, no, na parang nakatago pa rin. Some of you, pwedeng wala nang connection. Okay? Pagdating sa taong iniisip mo, wala na kayong connection, pero nandun pa rin. Like, may mga material, oo, na bagay na parang nagbibigay pa rin ng, yeah, memories, no? Okay? Yung iba sa inyo talagang hindi mo kayang mabitawan pa eh. Oo. Okay? So, there. Lagay natin dyan. Ano bang meron pagdating sa tarot? Okay. Cancer. Cancer placements. Okay. Lumilipad tong barahan na to. Oo. Hindi ko siya palaging ginagamit. Ngayon lang ulit. Cancer. Okay. Situation. Okay. Nag-flip. Justice in reverse. So, pwedeng Libra. Okay. What's with the Justice in reverse? Situation. The Knight of Swords in reverse. Oh, talagang may nahihirapan ditong umalis. May nahihirapan ditong i-let go. Meron pa rin gustong makipag-usap. Meron pa rin gustong like maramdaman yung mga sabihin nating naramdaman noon. Okay? The Knight of Swords in reverse, this is like back and forth movement or back and forth action. Justice in reverse, hindi magawan ng solusyon, yung dapat solusyonan. Okay, hindi magawang solusyonan, no? Yung mga dapat solusyonan. Yung iba rito, something, merong marriage because of the justice. No, that's legal. Okay? Yeah, the devil. The chariot. Capricorn and Cancer. So, pwedeng Capricorn yung naging person mo or Cancerian like you. Okay. So, tingnan natin ano ba ang kanyang tingnan natin ano bang meron sa person na to. Anong meron sa kanya? The Page of Pentacles. Yeah, pwedeng earth sign. The Chariot in reverse. Puro salita, kulang sa action. Pwedeng itong taong to ang nagbigay ng delay sa'yo. Or pwedeng itong taong to hinihintay mo pa rin. Nakausapin ka. Excuse me, yeah. May paghihintay rito, the Hanged Man. Page of Pentacles. This is message. Okay? The Chariot in reverse. This is you. Pwedeng naghihintay ka pa rin sa kanya na i-message ka. Pwedeng vice versa. Okay? So, tingnan natin ano ba ang emosyon niya pagdating sa'yo. Pwede kong masabing hindi pa to totally moved on. Hindi niya ginagawa or nahihirapan siya. Okay? Yeah, the Eight of Pentacles in reverse. Wala siyang ginagawang effort sa ngayon. What's with the Eight of Pentacles in reverse? The Ace of Swords in reverse. The Seven of Pentacles. They are like waiting. The Ace of Swords in reverse. This is like hindi siya naging totoo, no? Pwedeng hindi niya nagawang maging totoo. Or hindi niya nasabi lahat ng dapat sabihin noong kayo. Pwedeng yes, meron ditong separation ha. Napakalinaw ng separation dito. Okay? The Eight of Pentacles in reverse, hindi niya nagawa eh. Hindi niya nagawa hanggang ngayon yung mga dapat mong marinig, mga dapat mong nakita, mga dapat na naramdaman, yan, mga ganyan. May pagtatago, may pagsisinungaling, some of you. Itong taong to pagdating sa'yo. Okay? What's with the Ace of Swords in reverse? The Five of Cups in reverse. Actually, ang nararamdaman ko dito, they're like playing safe. Playing safe. Okay, the Five of Cups in reverse. Ayaw nilang makakagawa ng kamalian. Or siguro, hindi nila kayang maging totoo dahil ayaw kang masaktan. I don't know why. I don't know kung anong ikakasakit kung magsasabi ng totoo sa'yo. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Ano bang emotion mo for them? Cancer. Okay. The Seven of Pentacles again. So, you're waiting. Yes, you're waiting. This person is like unsure na rin. Kaya hindi niya nagawa yung mga dapat gawin noon. Judgment in reverse. Two of Pentacles in reverse. So, some of you, nandito yung paghihintay. Pero gusto nang tapusin, no? Gusto nang tapusin yung paghihintay. Gusto nang i-drop. Gusto nang i-drop. Why? Bakit gusto mo nang i-drop? Cancer. The Four of Wands. Okay, so maybe someone is in a relationship na. This is relationship. This is long-term relationship. Okay, the Five of Wands. This is drama. This is problems. Okay, the Justice is in the reverse. So, this is pwedeng nga merong someone na meron ng karelasyon. Hindi umusad. Hindi umusad itong relasyon nyo na to. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Ano ba ang next action niya towards you? Cancer. Next action. The Two of Wands. Being indecisive pa rin or sabihin nating pagdistansya. Okay. What's with the Two of Wands? The Nine of Wands. Yeah. Like, naka-guard up. No? Parang iiwasan ka na. Parang iiwasan ka. I don't know. The Nine of Wands is here. The Magician is here. Pwedeng ikaw rin kasi is hindi ka naging, sabihin natin, hindi mo rin ginawa yung mga dapat na ginawa mo sa relasyon na to. So, kinuha lang niya, minirror ka lang niya. Parang ganyan. Kasi nakabaliktad ka rito. The Chariot in reverse. This is no movement. Okay? Puro salita lang. Like that. Okay? So, pagdating sa kanya, unsure. Ano kayang meron? Dapat ba to? Parang ganyan. Okay? So, the Two of Wands, like, parang naka-guard up sila. Okay? Hindi para lapitan ka. Tingnan natin ano ang outcome nyo. Cancer, anong outcome nyo? Okay. The Ten of Cups. Why the Ten of Cups? Why? Okay. This is ano ha? In general, this is happily ever after. Okay? That's happily ever after. This is contentment. Parang ganyan. Oo. Pagiging kontento. Tama ba? Okay? Happiness. Yan. The Ten of Cups. Why the Ten of Cups? Okay. So, the Ten of Swords. This is closure. Yeah, the Three of Wands universe. This is closure. Lalo na kung may third party dito. Okay, napakalaking sign ito ng closure. Being happy or kung anong meron, acceptance ang nakikita ko rito. Okay, so Cancer, yun ang ating reading. So tingnan natin anong meron pagdating sa all signs. Okay. Hang on. Okay. All signs, Aries through Pisces. Okay. Okay, Aries. Dropping you. Ayaw na nila ng away or like ayaw nila ng gulo, stress, isipin. Taurus. Another beginning. Pwedeng may kasal with a Taurus. Okay. May offer from this Taurus. Gemini. Okay, nagpapahabol si Gemini. Gusto niya ng attention. Cancer. Someone is like may nalaman. Okay, so pwedeng mayroong mag-e-end or pwedeng may nag-end na totally, like ending of a cycle. Okay, with the Cancerian. Next, Leo. May third party dito. Okay, yeah, their back is turned. Oo. Virgo. Okay, so hindi sila para parang ano like mayroong kailangang mangyaring pagbabago dito pero hindi sila yung like gagawa ng effort. Pwedeng gusto nilang may mangyaring pagbabago pero wala silang ginagawa. Libra. Okay, unfinished business. Black messages. Scorpio. Okay, manifesting a conversation with you. Sagittarius. Okay, so gusto ni Sagittarius na humingi ka ng sorry or pwedeng vice versa. Gusto niya humingi ng sorry sa'yo. Okay. Capricorn. Okay, so parang nakatago yung totoo nilang emosyon. Like, gusto nilang makipag-ayos, gusto nilang maging okay kayo, yung situation in general. Pero nakatago. Okay. Aquarius. Ayaw na nila. Like, may, parang na-trauma sila. Parang ganyan. I don't know why. Tinatalikuran ka nila. Parang walang growth para sa kanila. Ayaw nila na magkakaroon sila ng parang stunt, no? Pagdating sa growth nila. Next, Pisces. They want you, they like you. Okay? Pero hindi sila para maging seryoso. Yun lang. Okay? So there, yun ang ating reading for Cancer placements. Okay? So thank you. Bye.